Hey guys, this is Jainish. Welcome back to our third video in this tutorial series. You can see the links to follow me on GitHub, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So in this video, we will cover how to run your first Docker container. Before we go there, let's understand how that works. These are the layered, to understand how the Docker container runs in your host operating system. The first layer is infrastructure, which my case is a machine. It's a MacBook, right, which has 16 gig of memory, 250 gigs of storage, and 8 CPUs, right? And then the host operating system. So in my case, it is Mac operating system. I believe it's Catalina. In your case, it can be Windows, it can be Ubuntu, right? And then in our previous video, we installed Docker inside our Mac, for Docker for desktop, right? And then once you have that, you can run any containerized application, on the Docker daemon. It will work seamlessly smooth, no matter what your operating system is. You can run same container in any operating system, similar way, as long as you have Docker daemon installed. So let's go and get started. We will run our first Docker container. So for this example, I'm going to pull Ubuntu version 14.04 to run. So we are going to run Ubuntu inside Mac OS, right? And also I would pull that CentOS as well, just to show you that how we can run multiple containers in on the same Docker daemon. I am going to run two containers parallelly. So let's run the Ubuntu container first. Now I want to run it with in interactive mode, so we can get exact inside the container. Run is the command to start the container. Then I'm providing the image name, which will be Ubuntu. Now 14.04 is a version. Basically, this is the image name and this is the image version or tag, as the Docker references it. Now you can use the static tag, which is the specific version, or you can use the latest tag, which usually points to the latest version. And I will say bash, as I want to run it in interactive mode. So if you see, now we are inside the container, and to verify that it's Ubuntu, I will just get the file which says this is Ubuntu version 14.04, right? And we are running Ubuntu OS inside the Docker daemon. Now, parallel to that, let me run the Docker container for CentOS 7. And you can see we are inside the container. And if I do get OS release here, you will see it's CentOS version 7 Fedora. So that's it about running the first container, right? And you can run the exit command to exit out of the container. And Docker PS is the command which will show you that there are two container still running. So let's kill those container. You can use Docker rm-f. F is to force it, and you have to provide your container ID. You can specify multiple container ID at the same time. Both containers are removed. If I do Docker PS again, nothing is running. So that concludes how to run your first Docker container. In the next video, we will learn how to build your own Docker image. Thanks for watching. Please comment if you have any question. I will try to answer your question on the comment. Once again, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.